spider spun her thread. Up the wall she softly spread. She built her home both strong and high, underneath the bright blue sky. Along came clouds so big and gray. The wind began to dance and sway. Raindrops fell, drip, drop, drip. The spider felt her web go slip. The heavy rain came pouring down. It washed her web and spun it round, splashing water everywhere. The spider tumbled through the air. Down she fell, splash, oh dear. She landed in a puddle near. Her tiny legs were wet and cold, but spiders brave are strong and bold. Took the drops off one by one, looked up high, the rain was done. A little sun peeked through the sky and dried her wings so she could try. Up again the spider goes, climbing where the water flows. Step by step with sticky feet, back to where her home should be. She found her branch a little torn, her silky web all sadly worn. But smiling bright, she didn't cry. She said, I'll build it by and by. With patient heart and steady spin, she weaved the strands again within. Round and round her web did grow, shimmering bright with the sunlight's glow. Rainbow stretched across the sky, colors twinkled high and wide. The spider stopped to take a view. The world looks fresh, so bright, so new. A butterfly flew fluttering near. Hello spider, no need to fear. The spider waved with legs so small. I'm brave and fine, I fixed it all. A bumblebee buzzed by her side. Your web is shining far and wide. The spider giggled soft and